Okay, we're good. Hey everybody, and welcome back for another gameplay of The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. So, before we start the gameplay, I just wanted to thank you all for your supports because we just reached 100 subs. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko expected yun na. Chinek ko lamang ang aking channel, tas bigla ko lang napansin, nasa 100 subs na pala yung channel. Oh my goodness. I am very speechless right now and very thankful sa inyo guys. Oh my goodness. So without further ado, let us now proceed to the gameplay. This is for the 100 sub celebration. Okay, so din tayo last time nagtapos, yes? Nag-store tayo ng mga weapons. And ito na yung mga provided na weapons din sa bag na to. So, hindi natin i-add sa atin. Gusto ko yung maging challenging tayo din sa gameplay na to eh. Ikaw, Tito, ay... Okay na yung task niya. Okay, tayo na lang ang maging handa. Enter location.
No driving through that. We're on foot from here.
Ah, boy. Bet them psychos came here, too.
Yeah, maybe. Town circled the wagons, you see? Looks like a DMZ.
If there's any gas, it'll be at Lucky's.
Hahanap nga lang pala tayo din ng gas. Very obvious. Sa gas station. Ayun lang oh. Sige, tara, let's go. Are you awake? Okay, hindi. Let's be cautious around here. Baka bumangon ng mga ito eh. Kakatakot. Okay, the road is blocked. Let's find an alternate route. Hindi na? Okay, hindi tayo kasya. Masyadong malaki si Daryl. Sorry. How about this way?
Power's out.
Parang hindi na ako nag-expect na magkaroon pa ng kuryente sa gantong situation. Zombie apocalypse, may kuryente. Possible. Possible din. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Kailangan natin to. Okay, so ang sinasabi ng indicator ay din eh. Pero may pintuan din eh. Lock. Okay. So, din tayo, syempre. Hello! Okay, may nakain. Di pa man ako nakakain eh. Yan. That's what you get for eating too much bodies. Saan tayo? Saan pa? Di na, meron pa ba din?
Come on up here and talk a minute.
Oh.
Hey man, here.
Ito ba ladder? Who's there? Are there more survivors here? Baka nga may survivor pa. Sige, sige. Nice setup, pero napakasimple.
We'll talk when you finish the nickel tour.
No thanks. Mag-usap na tayo ngayon.
Jimmy Blake, last standing officer of the Sedalia SO.
Good for you. Psychos all over this place, too.
The biters? Yeah, they're everywhere, man.
You mean
Up
walkers?
in the hills, hunting. Didn't know nothing about them till the tour about camp. Still don't.
Uh-huh. Let me bring you up to speed. More of them come every day. We help each other survive, or we don't. That's it. Normal rules suspended for the foreseeable future. That applies to good guys and to, hunters. 10-4?
Yeah, I get it. But who's we?
The kid holed up in the gas station and the deputy in the cell block. He's interesting. I want to do one last radio check before bugging out, though.
Then do it.
The batteries went dead 2 days back. Can't find fresh ones. If you can, I'm happy to supply a little bird's eye coverage. I'm a hell of a shot.
Batteries? Okay. I'll keep an eye out. I need gas, though.
I think it's long gone, but the kid would know better than me.
So, hanap tayo ng battery for this sheriff ba? Or police?
The batteries I need are D cells. Got it?
Okay. So, hanap tayo ng battery. Where should we start? Are there more here? Ba, meron pa nga. Sige, sige, explore natin to. Baka malulot tayo din eh. Hello? Feel ko may falling damage to. Pagka naglag ka din, magkakaroon ka ng damage. Daan-daan tayo. Okay, here we go. Ay! Well, wag ka munang umakit agad. Di pa nakaka-explore eh. Oh! Oh, what's this? Collectible. Collectibles found. Bakit dalawa? Nakita na ba natin yung isa? Hindi ko tanda. Boy ba to? Putik! Boy nga! So buhay sila pagka ganyan ng position. Okay, sige. Nasa yung lead pipe. Yan. Pamukpok. Ang tawag yata di mga blunt weapons eh. Ano? Oh. Where should we go now? Are there zombie here? Oh, nga, minakain. Ha. Babangon to. Ay, hindi. Oh, pistol. Pistola mo. Kailangan na natin na yung barrel. Hello? Oh, okay. Hindi ako nagtitiwala sa place. Baka maraming zombie dun eh. Let's be cautious here, guys. Ang creepy. At ang dilim. Pagka dilim. Ah, okay. Feel ko buhay ito. Hello? Hey! Oo nga. Buhay. Okay, bangon. Oh. Isa pa. Ah, mas malakas to. 3 hits. Okay.
Finders keepers.
Yeah, finders keepers. Ooh! Try natin hammer. Hindi ko tanda, ilang hits nga bang hammer? 4 hits, right? May zombie din ni kanina eh, nasan yun? Ay, ito! Rock! Kadiri ang mukha! Huh? So, mahina ang damage nito. Okay. Hindi tayo sa 3 hits. May ba din yung panggamot or something? Well, hey! Okay. Wait, hindi nata ba isang pokpok? O baka sa katawan ko siya nababanatan? Oh, what's this? Food supply? May nangangailangan ba ito? Okay. Ay, di pa nabangon. Okay. Exit. Oh, what's this? Grapple. Aim at the walker head and press LMB. Okay, deliver single. Okay, sige. Putik! Hey! Oh! Ang papakit na mukha nyo! Chew! So yun ang grab. Oh my goodness. Gitla ko dun na. Bigla na sumulpot eh. Wala akong tiwala sa place, guys. Feel ko babangon ng mga ito mamaya. Saan ba tayo? Ay, nga, gas station. Sige. Okay. Kaya to. Ito.
Over here, man.
Hello?
Inside the station.
Ito.
Something you want? Huh? I ain't standing out here playing bait all
You
day.
got a car? You need gas, right? I can get you gas.
Yes, we need that.
One.
Daryl, it's a truck. What happened here?
The eaters happened. Me and my dad holed up here with Uncle Lester. The town held him off okay, until we lost all the cops. All but Blake.
Uncle Lester? Lucky Les?
Yeah, the same.
Who's that?
He and Dad went out to see who was left. I don't think they're coming back. But Uncle Lester has the key to the generator case.
And that's how we get the gas pumps running again.
Right. You get the keys and crank the Jenny. I use my codes to turn on the pump, and we get out of here. Win-win.
You're coming with me now?
I'm not staying here, buddy. We got a deal?
Deal? Sige. Ako naman ang kikilos lahat para sa inyo eh.
Look, Uncle Lester headed to the trailer park behind the general store. We got a lot of family there.
Saan yun? Buti pa yung indicator, alam ko saan tayo pupunta. May mga walker din eh, oh. What's that? Diyan tayo. Gas.
Power's out.
Okay, so walang power. Okay. Hop. Dahan-dahan. Kita tayo. Ge. Hello. There's a lot of bodies here. Feel ko babangon ng mga ito mamaya. Feel ko dadaan tayo doon. Ano ba meron din eh? What's in here? Pwede naman yata tayo ito ba? Meron din eh. Ang dami! What's that? May bala pa dun, oh. Pwede pa tayong lumitaw na din eh? Okay, hindi kaya. Hindi siya katulad ng Left 4 Dead. Saan ba siya sabi ng indicator doon? Sa kabila? Sugod! Teka, try natin yung martilyohin to. Pak! Ay. 4 hits nga pala yun, sorry. Nasanay ako sa 3 hits. Oh my goodness. Feel ko babangon to. Dadaan tayo. Pak! Oo nga, babangon nga eh. Just maganda pala, ibanata na agad sila bago pa bumangon. Ano pa meron din eh? What's in here? Radio. Oh! Radio. Wait, hindi ba mga ganito yung maingay? Ay, hindi. Baka magtawag lang yun ng mga zombie eh. Ladder. Ano natin din eh? Ay, ito yung kanina, yung pinto. Okay, sige. Alright, here we go. Ang dami nga pala din eh. May mga nakakulong na zombie din eh. Are those the bad guys who turned into zombies? Oh my goodness. What's this? Ano ito? Hold. Okay, hino-hold ko na. Ano bang ginagawa ito? Ano ginawa natin? Ginawa natin? Ay, bumalik lang tayo doon. Okay. Gets. Okay. We just made an alternate route. So, ano yung pantakas? May mangyayari ba din mamaya? Okay. Halatang gutom na sila eh. Nakain pa tong isa ah. Oh! Nasug natin, nasug! Teka. Okay. Ha! May pistol na tayo, guys. One shot, one kill. Just aim for the head. What's that sound? Ano yung tunog na yun? Interrogation room? May sniper doon. Ay, pwede ko babangon to. Ay, oo nga. Wait! Chu! Isa pa. Pak! Sniper. Kapal ng ulo nyo. Ginugulat nyo ako ah. Oh my goodness. Sobrang mga zombie din eh. Ang creepy. Tas yung sound pa. Oh my goodness. Kaka-nervous eh. Di na tayo. Oh. Yeah. Isa pa. Nasa yung blunt weapon. Ito yung 3 hits. Feel ko kasi pagka nagpaputok tayo din, pupunta mga zombie sa atin eh. Yeah, isa pa. Oh, muntik na yun. Okay, isa kamay niya. Ano ha? Putik na yan. Kung saan nasulpot ang mga zombie. What's in here? Dide? Ito yung battery. Okay. So ano yung babalik na tayo dun sa police? Return the batteries to Blake. Okay, sige, mamaya. Sige. Nabangon sila. Ano, mayroon pa mga nakaupo na zombie, ha? May natutulog pa ba? Ito. Dine. What's in here? Explorer tayo eh, kaya gagalain natin mga bawat kwarto. Oh! Kadiri sa jagay sa mukha ng mga ito, oh. Black. Pero maganda yung design. Ayos eh.
What are you doing here? Hey, talking to you.
I was just going to ask the same question.
Who locked you up?
I locked me up. I'm guarding the cash until Sheriff Turner comes up from Pemberton to relieve me.
Guarding it? From who?
From the damn ghouls. Who else? You slow?
You sure he's coming? You can ride out with me. I'll trade you passes
Who?
for some of what's in those
Dami.
Get your damn eyes off the cash. I mean, listen, son. I'm staying. But I am hungry.
Sakit na likod ko?
You need to slide me a bite to eat. A few items might walk out of this cage. Follow?
Yeah, any rocket science.
Good. Real good.
So, kinulong niya ang sarili niya dahil natatakot siya sa mga walkers. Oh my God. Ha? Ay, nalimot natin kanina sa store yun na... okay, yun pala yun. Sige. Yun na yan.
Well, look here. Just what the doctor ordered.
We just took the advantage, guys.
Son, what do you say we keep this transaction just between us?
You sure you ain't coming with?
Oh, hell no. This is my post. Where am I gonna be safer?
You don't have the key, do you?
Go on now, get. Leave me to my duty.
What happens when you get hungry again?
Yun lamang. Wala. Problema mo na yun, kuya. Akin na to. Alright, alsa tayo din eh. Bahala na si kuya dyan. Problema na niya yan. Ginusto niya yan eh. Are those corpses? Saan tayo ngayon? Oh! May something ba din eh? May bote eh. Okay. Wait, pakakadami doon. Ang dami. Wow nga, ang dami guys. Ibalik muna kayo natin yung battery sa sheriff, ano? Sige, tara. Oh! Ang ingay yun! Babaga tayo, baba. Oh no. Nasaan yung radio? Yung radio. Ay, ito. Sige. Yan. Sige. Diyan kayo pumunta. Ang dami. Don't look back, man. Don't look back. Takbo lang. Takbo. I really don't want to look back pagkadami yun. Dami din eh. Ayan. Okay. Let's do this quietly. Meron pa sa likod? Okay, wala na. Wala. Okay. Balik tayo sa sheriff. Choo! Ouch! Hey! Masakit yun! Grabe, may mga zombie din. Hinawakan lang tayo. May damage na agad. Balik tayo sa sheriff. Fast! Nasaan yun? Saan nandaan natin? Hindi. Ano ito? Ay, akala ko nababasa ang screen. Pinagpapawisan na palang character natin. Nice. That was satisfying. Hoy, tropa.
That's what you needed?
Just right. I'll run the scan. In the meantime, I've got you covered. I'll be ready to leave town when you are.
Meet me back at the north side of the barricades then.
Yep. Look forward to getting off this roof.
That works. Make sure you're there when we go. You're gonna get left.
You got it.
You got it then. Tarlets, asa tayo din eh. Return the batteries to Blake. Okay, sige. Na-return na natin. Tapos na yon. Ngayon, hanapin naman natin ay yung susi para sa gas. May space pa akong napansin dun eh. Saan ba yun? Doon? Sa parting yon? Doon tayo pupunta. Yun naman i-check natin. Hello? Ang dami. Oh, kita tayo nito. Okay. Apa? Poke! Oh, ha? Tara, let's go. Oh, isa pa to. Meron pa? Ha? Meron pa? Huwag na tayo mag-crouch. Dechoy na natin to. Teka. Sa likod. Shoo! Nako, hindi natin makuha na maayos, sorry. Tingin. Ikaw, isa ka pa. Okay. Kita nila tayo. Kaya ang tatlo? Okay, mamanage na natin. Grab niya tayo, No grab. Walang grab. Madaya kayo. One of the time, please. One of the time. Tayo din eh. Saan ba natin makukuha ang susi din eh? No trade traffic. Okay. Dami ng zombie doon. Nakikita nila tayo. Pwede naman natin sila sigurong lituhin eh. Ano? Yung kung saan tayo papaikot-ikot. Hanggang saan din nila tayo makita. Find Warren's uncle. Nasaan yun? Okay.
Hope you still got that Jenny key on you, Les.
Okay, atin ito. Ano yung teleponong yun? What the heck? Ay, yung susi! Yung susi! Ha?
That's it. Big thing.
What the heck? Hey! Hey! Oh! Nag-a-alert pala yung sasakyan pag natungtungan. Teka, saan tayo pupunta? Ang dami. Gamitin kaya natin ang pistol, ano? Okay, lapit! Kaya pa, ha? Wait. Wait, siguro tayo doon pumunta. Sige, teka. Ang dami. Ang dami. Teka. Chu! Tayo doon. Takbo agad, hey! Hey. Takbo. Hihi. Siya. Diyan tayo galing. Ang dami diyan kanina. Dini kaya? Bro! Dead end! Oh, nope. Wait. Kaya ba itong talunan? Kaya... Ay! Yes! Pwede talunan. Di ko na yan babanatan. Bala kayo dyan! Ayos na ako. I'm out of here. We're out of here. Bala na kayo dyan. Okay. Babalik na tayo doon sa gas station. Tata, please! Kanino? Sa'yo? Why?
Hey,
Kakataranta.
right, good deal. Open the Jenny cake.
Huh?
Are my dad and Uncle Lester behind you?
Just get the pumps on, okay, Warren?
Oh. Okay. It's all ready. Open the cage and hit the primer.
Requiescat ka in pace sa kanyang tito. So, dide. Okay. Ah! Siya yung sasalta. Ah, no! No. Bilisan natin. Bilis! Mga zombie yan sa paligid na. Alright. Alisa tayo din eh. Oh, yan yung mga zombie. Eh! Ang dami. Oh. Babalik tayo doon or din eh? Sige, akit tayo din eh. Alright. Let's go. Ang dami! Oh. Nice one, Sheriff. Ang dami! Oh my goodness. Saan tayo? Okay, doon tayo. Sige. Okay. Bibilisan natin. 1, 2, 3, go! Bili!
Get back over here!
Let's go!
What you think I'm doing, Jess?
Tara!
Let's start the damn truck.
Putik na yan. Kaka-nervyos, men. Ang hirap ang patay ng isang zombie. Okay. We just finished this mission. Oh my goodness. Okay, so si Jesse ay nabawasan ng buhay at mayroon tayong dalawang tropa din eh. Sige, continue. So that is collectible. Okay. Okay, sige. Got it. Wait. What's this? May problem tayo sa survivors? So pipili lang tayo ng isa. Okay. Sino ba din eh? Sino po natin i-kick out din eh? Ito? Hindi po natin i-kick out to. Si Warren kakaawa eh. Jimmy Blake naman yung malakas eh. Sige, naawa ako eh. Ito na, dismiss. Sorry Jimmy. Idadalhin ko lang si Warren. Tara, let's go. Okay, saan ba mas maganda? Garwater or Pemberton? Mas malayo ang Garwater. Pero sige, try na lamang din natin. Sige, start. Okay, I think I will going to end up our gameplay here, guys. So abangan na lamang din uli ang susunod na part. And thank you again for watching and to your supports.